Understanding the word humbled. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a word that you might have heard quite often, but may not fully understand, humbled. We'll be exploring what it means, how to use it in sentences, and we'll also look at some examples to clarify any doubts. So, whether you're an English language learner or just looking to expand your vocabulary, you're in the right place. Humbled is an adjective that describes a feeling or state of being. When someone says they are humbled, it generally means that they are feeling modest, or that they have a low view of their own importance. This word is often used in situations where a person is honored or praised, but they want to show gratitude and acknowledge that they do not see themselves as superior to others. Using humbled in a sentence is quite straightforward. Here's a simple structure that you can follow. I am humbled by noun or action. For example, I am humbled by the overwhelming support from my family and friends. I am humbled to be chosen as the employee of the month. In both examples, the speakers are expressing gratitude and modesty in response to positive recognition or support. Let's look at some more examples to understand how humbled can be used in different contexts. 1. After receiving an award. Winning this award is such an honor. I am truly humbled to be recognized in this way. 2. When praised for work. Thank you for your kind words about my project. I am humbled to know that it has made an impact. 3. In response to support. The outpouring of love after my surgery has been incredible. I am humbled by everyone's generosity and kindness. In each of these situations, the person is feeling overwhelmed with positive emotions, gratitude, and a sense of modesty, choosing to put the focus on others rather than on themselves. And that brings us to the end of our video on the word humbled. We hope this has helped to clear up any confusion and that you now feel more confident in using this word in your own conversations and writings. Remember, being humbled is all about acknowledging the contributions of others and maintaining a modest view of oneself. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.